So just to give you a bit of an update on the Dell laptop, I have decided that unfortunately I am going to send it back. It has been, well, you want to call it repaired or not, but they have come out and exchanged the speakers over, but the fault still persists. It vibrates, and the best way of explaining it, inside here there's like a module that seems to be so long, and then there's a wire comes off it and another little module like this. This is like the tweeters, so it's probably a little bit further up, but it just fits underneath the motherboard and fits onto like literally two prongs like this, and so obviously it bounces up and down like that. I think, to be honest, in my opinion, it's a design error. So it must vibrate on literally every one of these models using this same chassis, I assume. And for the cost of this laptop, I can't really accept that. It should be perfect. It's you know, it's a car, it's a holiday. It's 4,000 quid. I got a bit of a discount off it. I got, I think, £500 or so. It's £3,500 laptop. I'm not paying £3,500 and not being 100% happy. And also another reason is with the Dell support. When I was on the support trying to get help, they messed about with some settings, and I'm not 100% certain what they've changed. The settings never got changed back when the speakers was exchanged. Whether or not that's correct, right, I've no idea. But because of the service that I got, where they was keeping me waiting and holding about and messing about, I don't trust what they did to my laptop. You know, what have they done? Have they changed something I'm not happy with? I don't know. So that's one reason. Also, the service I got with the Dell support team there, it's put me off Dell. I can't help but say it. You know, I'm hoping that was just a one-off experience, but at the moment, no. I think this has got to go back, and I will now just do the return, and then I'll film again showing you me basically putting it away, wrapping it in the box, which obviously I'll add as a proof of how the condition it went back. So obviously you can see it all works now. The screen is on, the mouse moves around, it's all working, so it's going back in full working order and under the 14 days. So I think this is something like day 4 or day 5, maybe day 5. So it'll be returned tomorrow in the post, returned well in time. So I'll just do the service thing at the returns, and then you'll see me boxing it up. I'll just show you that it is actually still working and so on.
First of all, thank you so much for coming out late tonight. I won't keep you too long because I do realise that somebody's going to be eating for an hour and a half.
It's working.
The buffet's going to be open soon. So,
the vibration is more a higher volume, but it just sounds tinny. Not happy. So that was the return submitted on the actual laptop, and obviously this is what it tells you to do. Wait now for the emails to come with the label and the reference number, and then obviously pack it up. I'm now going to reset the laptop back to factory settings and so on, so to remove any data that's left on here. Looks like this is going to take an hour or two. We're still at what, 8%. It's been doing it now at least 15-20 minutes, so could be a long job. Nearly finished, 97% now, so only a few more minutes. Just doing its final thing now, so hopefully shortly I'll be able to box it away and give it a clean down. Now it says installing, so I'm assuming it's reinstalling Windows. So there we go, it's all finished and back at the delivered state. So now we'll give the laptop a clean down and get it packed away. So I have given it all a good clean. It's all nice and shiny. There's no fingerprints on there, and it came with this in here, so we'll replace that. And just make sure it stays there when we shut the lid, which it has. Again, all this has been wiped down, there's no fingerprints on it. And if we just turn it over, you can see it's all pristine. There's no damage to it anywhere. Everything is all perfect. So we've got the accessories on here all ready to go back, and the sleeve there. So I'll just put it on the stand a second so I can use 2 hands here. So that's the laptop in there. We'll just put that to the side a second. So on the box we'll place the charger, which has gone in, and the power cord. It came in, so it must go back in. Put that bit in first. Oh yeah, I'm not pushing it down far enough. So there we go, that's all inside there. And then this is where the laptop is. So there's the little hub. That's already in there. That's where the charger came in. So there's the power cord gone in that bit. And then charger goes in at this bit. Might be a little bit too big, but as you can see it's gone in, so everything is there. There's the instruction manual and leaflets, and then here's the laptop. Just prove it again. It's going into there. So everything is all packaged away as it came. We'll just pop in some paperwork so we know it's mine. And then a copy of the label and a business card of mine that's got my details on it, just to ensure that there's no reason why they don't know whose this one is. So we'll just tape this on here, try not to get tape on any of these barcodes. So the label's on there and it's all parcelled up ready to go. I don't want you to obviously see all the barcodes, so I put my hand over the top, but as you can see it's all taped up and it's you'll see it next to the shop. Oh. Ah, yeah.
Oh, cool. 22. Getting there.
Yeah. Take it slow.
Aye.
That's it, mate. Well done.
Cheers. See you later.
Ah, yeah. You do DHL drop off, don't you?
We can give it a go, mate.
Yeah.
Let's see what's all. Just gonna send. Stuff we need. Right, is it? Shipping label. Yeah, that's already on there. Looks like we're cooking on gas, mate.
Oh, good.
There you go, buddy. Get picked
Sound?
up tomorrow.
Oh, perfect. Thanks, mate.
Alright.
There we are. That's returned the laptop and it's June the 15th, and it's about 1 o'clock. If you're watching on the TV, as most people now do, if you press the up arrow key on your remote control, it'll bring up a menu where you're able to hit that subscribe button and also click the bell notification button. That will tell you whenever I've uploaded any new videos, and obviously subscribing helps me out massively. Or you can scan these 2 QR codes. One's for TikTok, so you can follow us on TikTok, and then the other one is for YouTube, so you can subscribe to us on YouTube. Please do that for me. It will help me out a lot, and it is obviously free of charge.